Hello friends, in this class we are going to learn how to use Kali Linux. We'll start with the basics, alright? Sorry about the cough. First of all, Kali Linux and Termux work in a very similar way. Most of the tools and commands you use in Termux can also be used in Kali Linux. Let me show you how to open the terminal. You can right click and select open terminal here, or simply click on the terminal icon to launch it. I already have it open. Kali Linux comes with a lot of built-in tools. Many people use Kali specifically for cybersecurity and penetration testing. You can also use Ubuntu in a similar way. As I explained in previous classes about Termux and command prompt, many commands are the same across Linux systems. For example, the ls command lists files and folders. You can navigate directories, open documents, and run scripts just like we practiced earlier. Everything works almost the same way. You might remember the Figlet command that I showed in the Termux course. I already installed it here in Kali Linux. If I type Figlet hacker, it creates stylish text output in the terminal. Same process as before. Most commands work exactly the same in Kali Linux. If I press Ctrl plus Z, the process stops. If I type clear, the terminal screen gets cleared. Everything is very similar. Now let's install and run a tool as an example. Suppose I want to clone a GitHub repository. Like I showed in earlier lessons, we can use git clone. Let me open Firefox first. We'll use the same vman tool that we talked about before. I open Google and search for vman GitHub. Then I open the first GitHub repository. I've zoomed in so you can see everything clearly. Now I copy the GitHub link and use git clone is less than repository link is greater than. Press enter and you can see the repository is being cloned successfully. Just like in Termux, the process is almost identical in Kali Linux. After cloning, I type cd vman then ls, and you can see the vman.py file. To run it, I use Python just like before. Python to vman.py. Now the tool starts running. You can see that it opens successfully. Next, we configure it by setting the URL and port, just like we did in the phone version earlier. For example, set URL https://www.facebook.com, then set port 8080 and set the action URL as needed. After that, we simply type run. Now the tool is running successfully. The generated localhost link can be copied and opened in a browser. You can see the page loads correctly. So now you understand that Kali Linux works very similarly to Termux. Commands like cd also work the same way for navigating back directories. If you already completed my MS-DOS or Termux courses, then Kali Linux will feel very familiar because many commands are identical. I've already created several videos in the main course, including how to install Kali Linux, what a hacking lab is, Kali Linux overview, how to use different tools. There are already many detailed lessons available. If you want to learn more advanced topics, you can also check out my advanced phishing course or the footprinting course. There are a lot of practical demonstrations and advanced techniques explained step by step. The current course title is Hack Any Account Without Phishing. It's a complete 7-day course. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.